How to make my Facebook post shareable. Hey guys, so let's just go ahead and open up the Facebook app right here. And for example, you want to make a new post that is shareable. So let's go to the homepage right here and click on what's on your mind. Now you should be able to type in a text or add a photo right here. And so I'm just going to add or type in a text and also add a specific background that is listed in here. And then the feature that we should focus on is this one right here, which can say friends or public on your side, but just click on friends on mine. And this should give you the option to customize the audience for your post. Now, the audience that we should set it to is public. So click on public right here, and you can also click on set as default audience. So tap on this checkbox right there and click on save. So setting it to public will basically make your Facebook post shareable. So just click on post right here, and anyone on Facebook should be able to share that specific post that you just did. Now, if you want to make a certain post or a current post that you have already previously posted shareable, click on this menu icon at the bottom right. Click on your profile and it should show you all the posts that you posted on your profile before. Now, for example, I want to make this post shareable. Click on this three-dotted icon at the top right part of that specific post. Click on edit post and thus change the audience to public right here. Now click on done and that should set to public, and click on save, and that post should now be shareable. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.